and subscribe. Yeah, bro, he got grabbed by an eagle. Sad. Why would you ship them together? I don't remember who Running the Wind is. I don't know what's between them. I barely read the books. Yeah, two legs aren't really that important in there. I've not Googled it, so I wouldn't know. Dude didn't even do nothing wrong. Yo thinks that's kind of sad. I don't think Blue Star was a crash out though. In that, kind of hate it for that. Yes, I can agree with that. I am pro team WinCon. I thought he was recruiting kids, not killing them. Yeah, we on their kids. I'd be pretty mad too. They ain't even that bad with inflations, I'm not gonna lie.
My track record so clean.
Yeah, he's not coming back.
I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend.
Yeah, they just got out of the story ever since when they got up. Okay, he doesn't even do much. What are maps? I don't know. I only read like the first two series, so I wouldn't know about most of these. Anyway, Gamma65 out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.